Finding a low-mileage S63 B44B engine for your F95, F96 project just got easier with this 25,000-mile unit. Here's why this matters. Most BMW S63 engines on the market have serious mileage or questionable histories. This one's different. At 25,000 miles, it's barely past its break-in period for a performance engine of this caliber. We're talking about BMW's legendary 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 that delivers 591 horsepower. Direct compatibility with 2021 X5M and X6M models means no modification headaches. Engine code matches perfectly, and installation is straightforward for any qualified mechanic shop. Before you commit, you can review actual video footage showing this engine running properly. No surprises, no disappointments. Plus, unlike typical used engine purchases, this comes with warranty coverage on major internal components. The engine number is 2199395 for complete verification. If you're doing a replacement, building a project, or need a spare power plant, this is the quality you've been searching for. Don't wait for another low-mileage S63 engine to surface.